I'm filming it. Emirates is here.
Emirates? Where?
They're taxiing.
Oh.
Can you see the? Can you even see the pilots?
Yeah, that's the pilot there.
Did you even wave to him? And did he ever respond? Did he respond? Did the pilot ever respond back? Some pilots can. This guy had
3 Emirates planes on the ground at the same time.
What do you mean 3 Emirates planes?
Yes, there was one that landed earlier, one A3 over there, and another one just landed here.
You saw 2 landing at the same time. Actually, this one is JSB. Oh, another one. Hey, JAL 767.
Oh, JAL. Oh, you see that little hump on the back of the fuselage?
I've seen that on 787s and A320.
You see like a little dome, the small dome on the top?
Yeah.
That's a Wi-Fi beacon.
No way, man. If SQ only had those. If only all the 777s and A3, every aircraft had those, that would be so good. That would be sure to post everything online there. So does that mean the JL on board there's Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
People can use Facebook?
Yes. Well, it's rather, I think you have to pay for it.
That's so not cool. I heard the A350 also got it.
SF also has that kind of service, but again you have to pay for it.
Yeah, there's one
only on the A330 level.
A380s actually. My brother used we use WhatsApp on. Someone called me and then interrupted the film. Another Cathay. So that's SQ. The Emirates parked the wrong way. I look at
it's parking together with the other one.
I don't see the other Emirates.
Okay, let me.
I hope I got the good shot of its testing. They normally do the flaps here. You know what?
The first Emirates, the one we saw at T3 was T20. This one is at T25, so it's quite close to each other. And the third one over there.
Third one's a maintenance engine change. But why does it look like it's getting Star Wars colors? Don't tell me Singapore is so obsessed with Star Wars there that they actually tore down every airplane shop that used to be at Bugis and only cornered them to Orchard Road there, which is very expensive. Last time Bugis I could buy tons of airplanes models.
At Bugis?
Yeah, last time when I was younger. Of course I still have the models, except at that time I didn't know how to treat them with proper handling, so they got color scratches and sometimes broken side parts. But never mind. Many of them are still in good condition, even though their paint is completely off. At least the new arrivals that I have, I treated with a lot of respect. Except for my brother, he broke my Qatar Airways limited edition of A320-600 from Phoenix.
Yikes.
The front landing gear just snapped, and I can be really angry with him. They haven't even tested the rudder, but the hydraulic is on already. I think there's one time I heard the Tiger Airways, the cowling fell off like mad. I wonder if the Tiger Airways cowling incident was a true story. I mean, I got the evidence of it, of the cowling falling off.
Huh?
Again. I should later turn my Wi-Fi off. The system is jamming. Hey, they don't even test lah. Did they even play with the radar all this? Okay, they did.
That's the control check.
So what happens if one of them is not in good condition? Then they have to taxi the whole airplane back.
I want to taxi the whole plane back.
They get someone to push they had to abort the flight. Your friends?